All right, happy Bout. Today is July 11, 2020. Real quick, we're going to do a garden update. Nothing has germinated here yet. Of course, just a couple of days ago. Today is Saturday, and a couple of days ago on Thursday, planted sweet potatoes there. Planted white potatoes here. 3 different varieties: red, golden, and russet potatoes. This blue lake bush beans, they were on this side here first. All right, actually I pushed them back towards the east side of the garden and over to the north side. All right, the reason why, because I planted about 4 more rows right here. Could be 3 or 4 more rows. I think 3 rows, something like that. They tried to dial for me, but they're coming back. I thought they weren't going to make the transplant, but they're coming back. Here we planted rainbow chard. We planted right here bell peppers. We should start to see germination occur on this row within the next week or so. All right, we'll start from the back this time on this side of the garden. We have the corn here. We have walls. We have walls in the garden. Walls in the garden, doing what they're supposed to do. Help with control insects, and also help with pollination. Look how big these things are getting. 3 varieties of watermelon. Well, we got Jubilee, we got Crimson Sweet, and we have David yellow watermelon. Man, those babies are getting big too. And you see, they were about half this size just a couple of days ago. Actually starting to come over the sides of the garden now. Starting to vine out. Same thing here. Starting to vine out. All right, so anyway, like I say, we have 3 varieties of watermelon. We have 2 varieties of cucumbers. We have bushy cucumbers, and we have straight 8 cucumbers. Of course, these 5 big boys here are zucchini. These 5 here are yellow squash. And of course, again, the sweet corn. Man, look at that thing. That walks all over the place. We need more waltzes in the garden. All right, people, just a quick update. That's all I wanted to do. Show y'all what we're looking like today. All right. That's it for today. We'll see you guys at the next update. All right. Take it easy.